Hey, I'm Jonathan, aka Dr. Swirl Killer. We're here at Carolina's Finest Detailing, and we're going to put some PPF on this absolutely beautiful 2025 Tundra TRD Pro. Now, PPF is not a one-size-fits-all service. Here at Carolina's Finest Detailing, I like to sit with you, figure out how you're going to care for the vehicle. How long do you plan to keep the vehicle? Is it going to sit inside more? Is it going to sit outside more? What are your driving habits going to be? Those type of questions help me to build a package to suit your needs. So this particular client, this truck's going to sit outside 24/7. He is going to properly hand wash it, which is great, but it's going to see a lot of road trip highway miles. So that's why we're going to do the full front end. We're going to do a partial roof strip, and then he's really particular as well. So a lot of this gloss black plastic here on the mirror and under the windows, we're going to cover those in gloss black PPF as well. Now, other areas on trucks and SUVs that you may forget about, but is really good to put PPF on, interior. So the large window screens, some of the real large black plastic pieces in your interior that see high traffic, we can protect those. Door cups, door edge guards on trucks, lower doors, bedsides, areas like that are really good to protect depending on how you're going to use the vehicle. So again, we like to sit with you, figure out how you're going to use the vehicle, and build a package that suits your needs. Now, all of these newer trucks and SUVs are more expensive than ever before. We're keeping vehicles longer than we've ever, and these newer water-based clear finishes and a lot of the soft black plastic is more fragile than ever before. So it is vital to at least put film on some of these hard-wearing areas that are going to bother you, especially if you're going to daily drive this vehicle. If you have any questions about protecting your new or new to you vehicle, reach out. www.carolinasfinestdetailing.com. Call or shoot me a text. 337-319-2889. Thanks for watching. you.